Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, let's explore a new Chinese character. But I won't tell you what it means just yet. Let's see if you can guess it on your own. You might remember the two characters we've already learned, right? Both are single component characters. One is
人
which means person or human being, and the other is
木
which means wood or tree. Now, let's put these two characters together.
人
Moves to the left side as a component and
木
stays on the right. Does that look like the new character we're learning today? Looks like someone's leaning on a tree. What do you think they're doing? Probably tired from hunting, just resting in the shade. That's it. You got it. A person leaning on a tree. This character is pronounced
休
It means to rest, to take a break, or to stop. This character forms many useful words.
休息
Means to take a break, have a rest.
休假
Means to go on vacation, have time off.
休眠
Means hibernation, sleep mode. Many words with this character carry the idea of rest or pause. Now, let's take a look at how this character has evolved. In ancient Oracle bone script, it looked like this: a person relaxing under a tree. Over time, it transformed and simplified, and finally became the modern character we see today. Can you recognize it now? Let's learn how to pronounce it.
休休西有休
This character is made of two parts. It follows the left-right structure we learned before. When writing it, we follow the left-to-right stroke rule. First, write the radical
人
on the left, then the part
木
on the right. Did you get it? Pretty simple, right? And the next time you see this character on a shop store, you'll probably guess what it means.